Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the exact Furuno Ecdis model and reading the current ROM and chart database versions. This avoids mismatched files. Once done, copy official update packages into a single folder on a FAT32 USB stick and label it clearly. Make sure to enable redundant power or a UPS so the unit never loses power mid-flash. You'll need the system console open and local admin access. Don't skip logging in now, because the next steps modify firmware directly. You power cycle with the USB inserted so the bootloader detects the update package. Then enter the maintenance menu and choose firmware or chart DB update depending on your files. Once you start, the system will verify signatures and then flash images. Follow on screen prompts exactly and hit confirm when asked. Monitor CPU, memory, and progress percentage. These indicate healthy flashing. If multiple packages apply, install firmware first. Then restart and repeat for charts, making sure each step completes before moving on. You finish by restarting the Ecdis and immediately checking ROM and chart DB version fields to confirm the update applied. Then run basic C trial checks. Validate GPS, eyes, radar overlays, and compass alignment. These prove integration is intact. If anything fails, document error codes and save system logs to the USB. Try a controlled reflash of the same package once, but make sure power is stable. If problems persist, escalate to Furuno support with logs and model details for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.